guys, it's been a while since I posted, but I am super excited to share this video. It's kind of like a mix between two previous videos. The first one is how to make a dowel stand, where we made dowel stands with paper towel rolls. And the second one was how to make a Christmas tree dress form. So here we go. We're going to need a dowel, of course. We're going to need felt. I'm using pink and green for this project. Of course, our empty paper towel roll, garland, and all kind of stuff to decorate. We got beads and bows and ribbon and just a whole bunch of stuff. And our hot glue gun, of course. So we're going to get started with a dowel. I got these dowels used off of eBay, and we're going to style her hair in a ponytail because it looks like that's the way it's falling. I put my dowels in two categories, for play and display. Since this is for display, we're going to take a little shortcut and cut out the center of her hair. It makes pulling it together to style a lot easier if we get rid of that bulk in the middle. And you can see that it pulls together nice and you don't see the bald spot in the middle. So we're going to roll it up with these flexi rods and dip it in hot water, and that gives the dowels these really pretty curls. So her hair is styled, and we're going to add some jewelry. We're going to use the needle to pierce her ear, and you always want to be really careful. I put a little gem onto a hoop ring and place it in, so now she has beautiful earrings and beautiful hair. So now we're going to work on her outfit. We're going to take a piece of felt and we're going to cut it enough to go around the dowel's body, and carefully using hot glue we're going to glue two ends together. Again, you want to always be careful using hot glue. It's going to look like this, a little tube, and then we're going to flip it. So it has a nice little clean seam when you turn it around. You don't see the messy part. We're going to stick our dowel in. And it kind of looks like she has like a towel wrapped around her. So we're going to create a little shape of the dress. We're going to pinch it to the back so you can see the little waist. And then we're going to make little pleats on the side. I'm pinching the fabric together and using a little bit of hot glue to secure it in place. Again, be very, very, very careful using hot glue. Of course, we don't want to burn our fingers crafting. And as you can see, it's actually a little couple of glue spots on there. It's not so neat, but that's okay. We'll cover it up later on. I'm also going to make a little sweetheart bust line by applying a little glue to the inside of the fabric and pinching with our fingers. It's so quick and easy. You guys know I don't like to sew that much. So now we have a cute little tube dress, little mini dress. That's going to be the top part of our Christmas dress. For the bottom, next piece, we're going to take our cardboard paper towel roll, cut it at 6.5 inches, and cover it with green felt. This is just like we did on the previous video, how to make a dowel stand part 2. So quick and simple. It's an instant dowel stand for our dowels that wear long gowns and dresses. Once again, we're going to be super careful using our hot glue. This is like one of the very first dowel crafts I ever did. It's so quick and easy. Super simple. The easiest and quickest way to display your dowels real quick. And so your dowel stand is complete, and we're going to stick the dowel in so I can show you how it looks. So from here, we're going to take the Christmas garland and hot glue it to our dowel stand. Now for the video, I left the dowel in the dowel stand, but you could take it out to do this part It might be a little bit easier, but I just wanted to show you guys how it's going to look. Again, we're going to be very, very, very careful using hot glue. And this is always fun because you don't have to be neat at all. You can be super sloppy. You're covering up the entire green base with the garland. I'm kind of just going in a circle, but you could do it in any direction. And to kind of even it out, you could add a little more garland to fill in some places, or use your scissors to trim down some places so you can get a nice little tree shape. Now it's the fun part. We're going to decorate. I'm starting with beads. Again, we're going to be really careful with our hot glue. I'm going to put a little glue on a couple of beads, and I'm using the scissors to help me put it in place so I don't touch the hot glue. And just like you would decorate your tree, you're going to just find a place to put it. And again, this is the fun part. There is no wrong way to do this. It's whatever you feel, whatever you can imagine, whatever you can come up with, whatever crafting materials that you have. Super cool when you can just use what you have. You don't have to go to the store and spend any extra money. And we're going to keep adding. So I added a little pink pearls and some silver. And now I have some beads. And again, very, very carefully, I'm going to use hot glue and glue the beads into our little tree. Our tree skirt. And here we're adding some ribbon. Just filling everything in, just like you would your regular tree. This is like unlimited what you can do. Here it is, a few more extra beads, a few more extra bows, and I love it. You could add lights. I don't have lights for this video. Maybe I'll get some later. But here she is. We're going to add just a few more extra details, a little bit of ribbon to make a silver belt, and it's also going to help cover up those glue spots that we had when we created the bodice. I'm going to add an extra long piece of ribbon. Just make the belt really long. And we're going to cover up that with these cute little light pink flowers. Absolutely love it. I also made a little choker with silver ribbon and a little flower on the side. She is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I got this idea because my sister asked me to make her a Christmas tree doll. So I made it for her and I was like really excited. This is the cool part. After Christmas, the holiday is done, you could remove that bottom piece. Now she has an awesome tube mini dress and she can go to a nice little party with a really tiny dress. And here she is. I love this picture. It's super pretty. I really like it. Here's another one I made with more traditional Christmas colors. The red and the green. She's beautiful. And here's the one I made for my sister. She loves shades of blue. So she asked me to make that for her. I know it's been a while since I posted. A lot's been going on. Some really cool and interesting stuff. So you guys, I'm so excited to be back. I got a few more ideas. I'm really looking forward to the new year and some more awesome doll crafts. I need to hear from you as always. I thank you for watching. Like, follow, share, subscribe. And remember, it is more fun to make it. Let me know how your dress turns out. Take care.